Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab seat 2.5 and we are going to use DNF to install an RPM package. So the IT manager in your organization has asked you to install an open source volume control and audio effect tool named Pulse Audio-Equalizer. So in this lab, your task is to install the Pulse Audio-Equalizer.noarch package. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. So let us go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we just wait for this to load. In the meantime, if you need detailed guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership where you get insider spec on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Alright, so we're still waiting for the lab to load. Alright, so this lab has loaded. We'll just go ahead and open terminal, and in the terminal we type in DNF space install space Pulse Audio Equalizer.noarch and you press enter. So you type in Y to indicate yes and press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that other students can benefit also. You can share on other educational platforms, Facebook and Twitter and other platforms that can help other people also. Consider joining my professional membership and like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.